Welcome to our brand new channel, Rods and Reloads. This is our first ever episode. First off, thank you guys for checking out our first ever video. Second off, if you do enjoy it, please subscribe. We're gonna be doing a lot of hunting and fishing, outdoors, camping, catching cooks on this channel. So make sure you guys do subscribe. If you do enjoy it, it is free to do so. Right now, we're in Idaho. Tara's excited. We're going trout fishing right now for browns and rainbows. That'll be our first ever video, so we're gonna get the boat out. We got my friend Noah from Minnesota. He lives here in Idaho. We're on the Snake River. We're gonna go target some big trout. Stick around. We'll see you in the water. Idaho on the Snake River. There are waterfalls everywhere. There's even more further back in that little chute back there. It's really cool in here. Right now, we are just casting jerk baits, little X-Trap here. Super simple. All we're doing is we're going to be casting where the white water falls into the river from these waterfalls, and you're just slow twitching it. The water's still pretty cold. We found out they're probably not hitting anything fast. So we're going to slow twitch these baits, cast up to the rocks and just slow twitch it back. Tara's gonna be running a Meth spinner, so we're gonna start casting. Hopefully we can get on some big brown or rainbow trout. Noah's hooked up.
Holy!
These fish are just pristine fish. It gets to about 60, 70 feet here where we're fishing. These rocks just hold all the bait. They hold all of these trout, and it hammered his bait. And you guys will see how pretty this fish is.
Wow!
Idaho brown trout. Noah, that's a heck of a brown.
Yeah, it's a hell of a way to start it, that's for sure.
She's hooked up. Right in. Nice fish.
You got the fish you were looking for.
Tera, master angler. Got a beautiful 20 3/4 inch brown trout. Her first one. And this is awesome. We're gonna get this released. Ready to go.
Wow, that was amazing.
Tera!
Oh,
Nice fish.
wow!
That's it. Noah brings us to the juicy spot.
Yeah, we try.
We're all catching brown trout out here in Idaho. Right here. It's not as big as Tera's, but it is a beautiful brown trout. Hit on the, what number is that? 5 extra? It's a husky jerk actually I'm using. I thought it was the extra. I'm using the gold husky jerk. A beautiful fish. We're gonna get this back in the water. Stick around. I like this. This is fun. All right, Tara's hooked up. Nice fish. Yeah, beautiful fish, Tera. Nice brown. We got people looking at us over the top. Nice fish. Let's get her back. Almost dropped your phone.
I get it. I get the trout fishing thing now.
That's fun.
It's way fun. All right, back in the water.
Nice job.
So what happened here, boys?
Well, sometimes when you're in the boat, you gotta hand grab the drone. Well, went a little deep on the grab. Kind of took some chunks out of the finger. Not ideal.
Not what you want.
Well, we tried trolling for trout, did not go well. Water's just a little too cold, but we did get on some really, really nice fish casting into some waterfalls, which is super sweet. Tara got her first brown trout.
Master English.
If you guys have not subscribed to this new channel, please do. Next episode, giant white sturgeon. And tomorrow is gonna be that day. We're gonna get on some big sturgeon for you guys. So please like, subscribe. It is free to do so, and we will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.